All right, ladies and gentlemen, you know where you're at. This is your host with the most. How's everybody doing out there? If you're new here, welcome. Truly glad everybody stopped by. Just wanted to stop by today and give you guys some options. This is what we do on this channel. A lot of things is out here now. We're here. Omega is here. Okay. Got to say that. Omega is here. Everybody's rolling out. Okay. People are rolling out. It's coming out fast. I'm going through these. I actually been through a couple of jump offs myself today. Today I got, I'm going to keep it a bean with you. I got the realist. Now this is the realist, and I want everybody to chime in, in the comments below. If you guys are having problems, my email will be there and things of that nature. All right. But I always say the same thing on every setup. If you've seen one build, you've seen them all. There's no need for me to go through just so you can see some words. Okay, I'm not doing that. All right, I did that when I first came. If you guys don't trust my decisions, you might be on the wrong channel. And that's just, it is what it is. Let's bbq.com. I'm out. Texas in every way. Texas in every way. Nah, let me stop. I be softballs. Oh man, I wake up in the middle of the night and watch this man cook oxtail. I don't know what's going on in my life right now. Yo, in every way. Nah, let me stop joking. But once you guys, because I actually got this morning, and I just been searching for you guys for some Omega joints, give you guys some options and things like that, like I said previously. The one thing I can tell y'all, the one thing I will say, always go into the maintenance section. Let's just go to the wizard here real quick. And I always want you to be able to go to tools. Okay, and for this particular wizard, you just want to go on the quick config. Now this is where it gets tricky. Well, not tricky. Whatever you got, just pick it. I mean, you should have a decent experience. I've had a couple of people, I've talked to a couple of people, and they're like, man, I be watching your videos, but, until I call you and you give me step by step, I don't really do it. And that baffles me. Okay? It really does. But pick the appropriate. I actually talked to one person. He's still on the first to third gen joint. I'm like, yo, you all got the 4K at least? But it's all good. After you guys write your settings, you will be able to check your settings here in current settings and things of that nature. Like I said, I'm not gonna be taking too many ticks and things like that. Another thing you always want to do is go into your skin settings and go to extras and make sure enable autocomplete is always on. It enables the autocomplete feature of the virtual keyboard. So if you want to search your library and things like that, it's easier this way. And this is a fully customizable jump off. I want to know how you guys like this one. Take a look at it. If you guys will. And there's nothing to email a person. I always get back to the emails. Sometimes I get back to the emails more than I do YouTube in some cases. All right, like if you need something, I can do it there. If you guys need help, call me. Just understand that time is money and money is time. Okay, so if you really need help, you want your joint to work tip top, and you don't want to listen to the video, just call me. Let me know how you guys like this one. If you get a chance, like, share, and subscribe, but most of all, comment. Please don't forget to hit the notification bells, people. As always, I'm hoping you're having a blessed, peaceful, and a productive day. Love and peace for all. Never forget, it is good to be good, and it is bad to be bad. I'm going to see you guys on the next one, y'all. I'm out. What you want, Maya? Oh, you come over here standing over me like you some queen of England.
You was doing this.
Oh, okay. I'm out.